for you guys about the daytime running lights, adding LEDs to your daytime running lights. Okay, so this video is basically about how to check your daytime running light system to make sure that it's running properly, to find out exactly why the check daytime running light pops up on the dash here. So what I'm gonna do is start the car, and as I start the car, it'll pop up on the screen. It'll say check DRL system. So meaning check the DRL system, meaning it's either one of the bulbs on the left or right side went out of the regular, well, this is for, well, this is what I'm trying to explain is for the left or right headlight, the daytime running lights. Either the bulbs went out, you have to, either one of the daytime running light bulbs went out and it just needs replacing, or if you putting LEDs in, make sure you put the cannabis decoder on it so it'll pull a little electricity, because the LED bulbs take such little electricity that it will cause the, it will cause the system to not think that there's actually a bulb in the socket. So what the cannabis does, it pulls a little electricity to make this light go out. So right now I'm just going to go under the hood and I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about exactly about the cannabis decoder, and show you guys exactly what, the daytime running light looks like. So right now this is the LED daytime running light. It's on or whatever on this side, but the passenger side is out. So basically the cannabis, let me turn off the car to get you guys, better sound. So to get that check daytime running light thing off, turn off the car, take out the key. This works for all cars, all makes and models. You just make sure you get one of these cannabis decoders. So what it does is one end plugs into the actual bulb itself that goes into the headlight. One plugs into that, and then the other end goes into the factory wiring harness. You can pick these cannabises up in my Amazon store. They have them for all makes and models, in a lot of bulb sizes. So right now, this works for the Type S also. If you're looking to put LED daytime running lights on the Type S, this is how you do it. You just replace the bulb with an LED bulb, then you get a cannabis, and you're good to go. Bear with me, because I do have doing this with one hand. So right now this is plugged in after it wasn't plugged in before, so it was throwing a code for the LED bulb. So now I'm going to start the car now. And the code, the light should have went out. Now, the key ignition, push start. Make sure all the doors are closed, because it won't pop up unless, see. And load it up and everything's good to go, see, and it won't pop up on the screen no more. As long as that's plugged in, you're good to go. Everything is good. Both of the LED daytime running lights is running. There you go. 1, 2, 3. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.